Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss the coding question which was asked in previous year Wipro placement papers, and these are the available languages in which you can code. So it's C, C++, Java and Python, and we are going to use Python for our codes here. So let's look at the question and what was actually asked. So the question says we need to print the sorted non-redundant occurrence of elements from the given input, and the set of input is given to us, and they are comma separated values, and we have to print the occurrences of our elements in a sorted manner by removing the redundant elements. Now it is very simple question and it can be done in two different manners. So first let's discuss the basic way of doing it. The first way would be to create a list and then add your elements into the list, and every time you're doing so you need to check if the element which you are trying to add in your list already exists in your list or not, and then sort the list and then print the list. So it is a three-step procedure, and there is another better way to do it by using set. So I will be going with the second option, and that is a really easy way to do your operation. So I have written the same question here, and this is the expected output, and let's try to code it. So I will be creating a list of numbers, and since the input is in the form of integers which are comma separated values, so let's write input dot split, and inside split we have a parameter which will be comma in our case. And let's first try to print this list of numbers and see if our program works correctly right now. So this is the set of input which we are getting, and this is the list which we have created. So our program is running fine up till here. So let's comment it out. And now what I want to do is create a set from this particular list. So now I have created a set of numbers here, and what it will do, let's try to see. So again we have the same set of input, and oh sorry, I did not print it. So let's write print numbers, and we have the input and we have our output in the sorted manner, but this will still give you an error because the extra set of parentheses is getting printed along with the commas, which is not demanded in our output. So what we can do is simply put a star in this particular line of code, that is line number 14. So what it does is it just prints the value and it does not print any kind of other parameters like the parenthesis or square bracket in case of list. So if we try to print this right now, so some unnecessary operations which you have avoided in this case is that you have avoided unnecessary sorting of your numbers, and you have also avoided creation of another list for storing your numbers, for which you are going to sort them and then print them. So in this case your memory and your time is also saved. So this is one efficient way of coding your problems. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And in future videos, we are going to talk about many different coding questions which have been asked in companies, and how we can deal with them in the languages which are provided. So thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep programming.